quiet town of Willow Creek, nestled among rolling hills and fields of wildflowers, two souls found each other in the most unexpected of ways, their love story unfolding like a delicate tapestry woven by fate. Amelia was a young woman with a heart full of wanderlust and a spirit as free as the wind. She spent her days exploring the countryside, her feet dancing through meadows and her laughter ringing through the air like the sweetest melody. Despite the beauty that surrounded her, Amelia longed for a love that would anchor her restless soul and give her wings to soar. And then there was Daniel, a gentle soul with a passion for music and a quiet strength that belied his years. He found solace in the melody of his guitar, his fingers dancing across the strings as he poured his heart into every chord. Though he was content in his solitude, Daniel secretly yearned for a love that would fill the empty spaces in his heart and bring light to his darkest days. Their paths first crossed on a warm summer's day, when Amelia stumbled upon Daniel playing his guitar beneath the shade of an old oak tree. Enthralled by the music that filled the air, she approached him with a smile, her curiosity piqued by the melancholy notes that seemed to echo her own longing. As they spoke, a connection blossomed between them, their hearts recognizing something familiar in each other's gaze. They shared stories of their pasts, dreams of their futures, and fears that lingered in the shadows of their minds. In that fleeting moment, Amelia and Daniel knew that they had found something rare and precious, a love that felt like coming home. From that day forward, Amelia and Daniel were inseparable. They spent their days wandering through fields of golden wheat and strolling along the banks of the meandering river, lost in the magic of each other's company. They watched the sunset paint the sky in hues of orange and pink, their fingers intertwined as they whispered promises of forever. But as with all great love stories, theirs was not without its challenges. They faced obstacles along the way, moments of doubt and uncertainty that threatened to tear them apart. Yet, through it all, Amelia and Daniel clung to each other with a fierce determination, refusing to let anything come between them. As the seasons changed and the world around them shifted, Amelia and Daniel's love only grew stronger. They weathered the storms together, their love a beacon of hope in the darkness. And when the time came for them to make a home of their own, they knew that their love would be the foundation upon which they built their future, a future filled with laughter, music, and the endless possibility of love.